Welcome back to Idaho Voyager, everybody. It is a beautiful spring day, and today we are going for an ATV club ride in southwestern Idaho. That's coming right up. All right, I've got this trusty CF Moto C-Force 500 ready to go. Taking her out for the first time this season. Pretty excited to get back on there and enjoy a little good old-fashioned Idaho scenery. We are just outside Marsing, Idaho, about 7 miles southeast of Marsing, and this is the unload area. We're going on a 35-mile ride today, and it's due south up into the foothills of the Owyhee Mountains. So looking forward to it. A lot of beautiful country out here. It's very high desert type feel, but then you've got some really interesting formations in terms of the geology. So it should be pretty fun. It's lunchtime here on the ride, so we're just stopped here to have some lunch. About 30 machines are out today for today's ride. And here in the Treasure Valley, which is the Boise metropolitan area, there's several different ATV clubs. For example, Boise has a club, Canyon County has a club, which is the county adjacent to Boise's Ada County. And they organize these rides. There's a web portal on Meetup which schedules all the rides, and you can sign up and you can join the club for $25 a year, and that pretty much covers any administrative expenses, etc. Other than that, it's just a really nice kind of consolidated effort in terms of a ride clearinghouse where you can go in, see what rides you want to go to, sign up, and then meet up with other like-minded folks and go on a ride where you know the trail has been used before, so you know where you're going, you're not going to get lost, and again, safety in numbers. So it's a pretty cool deal and a fun activity, especially on such a nice day. As you can see, there are no clouds in the sky, just a gorgeous day in southwestern Idaho in middle April. Once again, thanks for stopping by here and checking out our channel here at Idaho Voyager. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.